White Lion Procurement has been an American provider of sourcing and procurement services on the rise. We source products and services from emerging markets such as Mexico, India, and Vietnam, although we have the experience to supply well-known markets such as China and Hong Kong. Currently, our offices are located in Mexico, the United States, and China. We offer a direct connection with factories and manufacturers around the world. We take care of monitoring quality and meeting the needs of your supply chain so that the product can be in your hands quickly and efficiently. We have the ability to connect you with large manufacturing facilities and small manufacturers to fulfill your monthly orders. With our extensive knowledge of the market, we get the best deals at the best price in record time, with minimal or no fees, and fast and affordable shipping. One of our favorite areas to the source is toy products. Nevertheless, toy manufacture is an extremely complex process from conception to completion. You'll need to consult a network of highly trained professionals at every step, just as we are. You've come to the perfect place if you're not sure where to begin. To ease up your journey, we've put together a comprehensive video walkthrough of the toy production process. This guide features everything about the process of toy manufacturing. It is true to say that you must have a working grasp of numerous technical processes to comprehend your specific product manufacturing process. The first thing you need to find out is if the concept is original and marketable. It could become costly to start a sourcing process to make reality your idea and invest a lot of money into your product so that at the end of the day somebody else brought it first into the market. To begin, you must completely comprehend the scope of the market you are attempting to join. Every year, the industry debuts over 7,500 innovations at the International Toy Fair in New York, which we recommend you to attend. Since almost 1,000 of the 7,500 ideas are created by experts who have access to a wealth of resources and their very sole purpose is to create one-of-a-kind commercial toys. As a result, breaking into the toy sector is a difficult task. To transform your idea into a profitable product on the market, you'll need to conduct an extensive study and be determined. But, how can you know if your concept is feasible? The first stage is to conduct your research in both formal and informal settings. Another crucial step in the toy manufacturing process once you have polished your initial idea, is figuring out how to get a toy prototype built. A finished prototype can help you pitch your concept to toy companies. It's also a decent indicator of how many resources you'll need to mass produce the item. Once you've determined that your product idea is distinctive and marketable, the following step is to see if it appeals to consumers. When it comes to buying a toy, both toy companies and parents are searching for specific characteristics. For your proposal to be considered viable, it must meet these criteria. It's critical to consider the possibilities for growth. Toy stores will be more interested in your proposal if brand extensions are conceivable. It will be easier to market your idea to a toy store if it can expand to generate many toys each season. Remember to make sketches of the toy. The help of a professional designer to create toy sketches could be used. At White Lion Procurement we can provide this service if required. This design should incorporate all of the details that were discussed throughout the brainstorming session that you or your team had. This includes size, color, and any variances should all be considered. Make several design iterations and experiment with varied profiles and styles when crafting toys or figurines until you are happy with the final result. Once the drawing is complete, it's time to turn it into a 3D model. You can make 3D models to get a realistic idea of how the toy will look after it is made. Professionals trained in 3D model development can be hired from our team. We specialized in developing the most polished presenting models. You can even go the more conventional route and hire a wax modeler to construct a 3D rendition of the item by hand. When working with a wax modeler, one of the most typical concerns is the time commitment. Professional wax modelers, on the other hand, work faster than 3D software. The next phase of toy manufacture, prototype development, will benefit from having a real model. When creating a prototype, many essential elements come into play. Deciding on the toy's manufacturing method, producing a mold, and selecting materials. For all of these, you must first establish the number of molds required to create the toy in order to identify the toy's mode of production. This phase requires the assistance of a mechanical engineer. Advanced physics expertise is required to determine the correct number of molds required to successfully manufacture a toy. Resin artisans create a basic silicone mold by pouring silicone into a metal box and putting the toy inside. They can take the toy out after about 12 hours of curing. The cavity that has been left behind can be used to make several physical copies of toys. If your product is constructed of resin, polystone, or polyresin, silicone molds are the ideal choice. Toy producers must create more robust metal molds for large production of plastic toys. This is a technical phase that needs the hiring of a figure maker. They can use the 3D model and drawing to bring your concept to life. Metal alloys such as zinc, copper, aluminum, and magnesium are used to make durable metal molds. These molds endure a long time and can make hundreds of toys at a time. This method is substantially more costly. Using 2 or more types of molds for different elements of a product can help you save money. Many types of molding can be customized to fit a certain toy. The level of detail necessary as well as the material might help you limit down your options. You do not have to worry about the fieldwork required to confirm a contractor's trustworthiness before outsourcing the production process to another country, since we can help you out with that. To make a safe and lasting toy, the factory must and will meet all of your specifications. When we choose a factory, we go over the following checklist. Is the factory equipped with the necessary molding components to produce the toy? Are there enough assembly lines available if numerous molds are used? Is the process overseen by a strict quality control department? Is the safety of the toys in the outgoing batches tested on a regular basis? Do they fit the specific packaging needs? Once the factory has provided suitable answers to these concerns, we investigate in-depth the reviews from other customers to verify the factory's claims. To maximize profit, quality control and safety measures must meet worldwide requirements so that the toy may be launched in multiple countries, and we take our research even this far. For many people, the toy production processes and the toy industry, in general, are intimidating. For even the most experienced entrepreneurs, the sheer quantity of alternatives and their implications can be bewildering. There is a wide variety of toys and games in this industry, and all of them involve several types of different processes or a set of multi-sector processes to accomplish the complex manufacturing of a product. Here we present some of the types of toys and games that White Lion Procurement can provide. Action figures. Art design kits. Reusable compounds kits, like clay and dough. Battling toys like board games. Building or construction toys. Collectible or trading cards and toys. Costume and dress-up. Dolls. Educational games and toys. Games for children. Puzzles. Radio controlled. Wooden toys. Several of these products involve cardboard manufacturing processes, plastic injection molded parts, die-casted parts, wood manufactured pieces, or textile processes, all of which we have discussed in our channels, and that none of them presents a challenge for our company. To summarize, White Lion Procurement is capable of providing the following services. Streamline the entire toy manufacturing process. Have a solid support system in place. Collaborate with experienced designers. Locate the best factory on the globe. Keep a close eye on the toy making process. Avoid typical errors. Make use of the appropriate resources. Create a product that is worth investing in to avoid wasting money. Investigate the competition. On-time delivery of high-quality products. So, if you've got a brilliant idea for a product and need some help, you've come to the correct place. We are ready to assist you on your path to success. Get started with White Lion Procurement today and turn your dream into a reality. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and share it with your friends, and remember to turn on the alerts. Visit us on social media to get to know us better. We are eager to form genuine connections with individuals. If you have a product in mind or a project in the works, please do not hesitate to contact us via the phone numbers displayed on the screen or by email.